What's up, everybody? So today we're going to start working on the EG. We got the lift of the EK done last week. If you missed that series, you can click over here, hit a link to that. We just put a new transmission in it. Anyways, this thing's done, so we get this moved out, and then we'll get the EG moved in. And I've got the parts for it laid out here. It needs a new axle. I put these TruHeart control arms in, new booster master, headlights, corner lights, and I got a set of fenders also. Well, a couple weeks ago I actually crashed this thing. Not hard, but it's rear-ended someone a little bit. So we're just gonna get all this fixed up. I don't have a new hood. I'm gonna try and just straighten that out. The paint's all messed up on it. I know it's gonna look horrible, but this hood's actually in pretty bad shape. I don't know if you can really see that on video, but there's all kinds of dents and stuff in it. Anyway, so we get these cars switched out and get this thing torn apart. Alright, got this thing up on jack stands. First thing I'm going to do is rip off the fenders, headlights, and corner lights and get going on all that. So this is probably just going to be a bunch of time lapses and stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. Alright, got the fenders and lights off. I went through and cleaned it up the best I can. It was pretty dirty in some spots. Not perfect, but a lot better than it was. So while I've got the fenders off, I'm going to go ahead and change this axle out and put the new upper control arms in. Alright, got all the control arms on. Went ahead and threw the rears in also. And then I went ahead and started test fitting a fender. Not bad so far. It's a little tight right there. Door gap seems okay. A little big down here, but I haven't put that bottom bolt in. Should be able to close that up. So all the suspension's done, new axles in, and I guess it's time to start throwing on the fenders and the new lights. So I've never messed with changing body parts around and stuff. I've swapped a couple hoods, used hood for used hood, that's about all. But I've never like replaced panels with new fenders or whatever. So I can't really get the alignment very good. Not really sure what to do there. Pulled it over as far as I can. I don't know if maybe it just like gets tweaked a little bit in shipping or whatever. And you just kind of gotta bend it and flex it. I don't know. Maybe y'all can let me know. All the panel gaps and alignments and stuff is something that I'll just kind of mess with a little bit here and there, just off camera and stuff. But it does look like the core support here is a little bent because that headlight is still kind of sunk in there. So I'll have to look into that. Also, I'll have to find a new hood for it. Like I said earlier, this hood's in really bad shape anyways. But hell yeah, coming on along. So I looked at this core support right here, and it actually seems like it's twisted a little bit. And I don't really know how to pull that back, at least not with anything that I have here. So I think I'm just gonna leave the front end alone, just call it good for now. But next up, I'm gonna throw a new booster and master on right here. So we'll go ahead and get that thrown on right now. And we got brakes again. Got everything on, brakes bled, ready to go. So I'll throw the wheels and tires back on it, get it down on the ground and see where it sits. I just wanna see kind of how the control arms are adjusted. I need a less sketchy way to lift cars up besides these wooden blocks. Well, alright, there it is. More or less looks the same, just has black fenders now. But alright, I guess that's going to be all for this one. Thanks for watching. I guess the next couple of videos are going to be kind of slow like this one, because we're going to strip all this vinyl off. In the next one, get that windshield banner off there. I think I'm going to get all these off. And then we'll print and make a new wrap. So I'll show you how I make the wrap and all that stuff. And then we'll install it and see how it turns out. So if y'all want to see like stripping vinyl, printing vinyl, or installing like a half wrap type thing, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.